The majority of jobs in Western Australia are in agriculture, construction, mechanics and nursing. So Edmund Rice College Bindoon specialises in trade pathways with fully qualified staff and state-of-the-art facilities. If ready and set to grow, then Edmund Rice College can offer students a practical, hands-on approach that will give students the confidence and world-ready skills to thrive. Our most effective classrooms aren't rooms at all, and while most schools are focused on preparing students for exams, our singular focus is to ignite that spark in each individual that helps them grow and flourish. At Edmund Rice, our students aren't watching a video about learning, they are hands-on, as we believe in learning by doing. Our students enjoy a full range of sporting activities where they get to develop both their skills and enjoyment for the game or activity. Edmund Rice students love talking about what they do at school, and we also encourage a bit of horsing around. Actually, the college is one of WA's leading equine academies, offering excellent facilities and highly qualified instructors. At Edmund Rice College Bindoon, our hands-on approach promotes learning by doing, and as a result, our students grow to become practical, capable young people with the confidence and world-ready skills to thrive. If you are a parent or student and looking for a hands-on, practical style of education with a major focus on agriculture, trades and the outdoors, then Edmund Rice College Bindoon is for you, as we prepare our students for the real world and real jobs. We are waiting, ready and set to help you grow, whether it be as a day student or boarding student. Contact us now and we can chat further or book a tour so you can experience it for yourself and child.